that's me and young Davs out the road now, heading out to Keith. We're going to go to the service park now and try and get up close. We want to see, hopefully see the guys from Black Motorsport and Mike Grant. That'll be awesome. Sunny boy, but Keith's just 20 minutes away, it's not far. Then we'll just take it from there. Around here, just up at the top of this hill is where we were last night on the night stage, wasn't it? And into Keith we come. Here we go. Oh, they're all the way over the back there as well. Yeah, just getting them clean. We're looking for our Michael, aren't we? Yeah. Nice. Here he goes, look at our Michael. Is he just coming in? Aye. I think he's just coming in, isn't he? Check out, so look at the spare. The spare strapped in the back, look. And I think, and that's the rally fuel tank, son. See this fuel tank in there? That's the rally fuel tank. Look at that. Mark 1, look at that. That's lovely. Yeah, Davids is on it, guys. Davids is on it. That's the blue Mark II. I've seen that a couple of times, haven't we? Guys, just having something to eat. Looking fantastic. Yeah, I think this is them, guys, if I can remember rightly. The car's looking a little different from last time. Yeah, there's still cars coming in yet. Alright, so here's the tyre truck, look. They'll be doing any tyres for the guys they want. So here we go, look, old tyres, new tyres. They look like they've actually been quite worn today, look. See how worn they are, look at that, it's just ripped it shreds through the stages. I just love that noise. Look at that. Oh, yes. Well, he must have had a major puncture on the stage, eh? I would have said so.
I think they need a fantastic tyres. They're a bit too
Yeah, that one is really ripped to shreds. And I got a lovely BMW. That must be so much fun, that thing. Yeah, I've seen him a few times, haven't we? Yeah, we see him, yeah, look, retro restorations, yeah. His spare parts, of course. Lots and lots of spare parts. Yeah. Yeah, so now we come up to our mates, guys, MG Motors, and they've got a Subaru this year. Yeah, so they seem to have the big Subaru and the Mark II Escort up and over. It's got a proper little look inside now, look. Subaru Impreza STI, yeah. It's wicked. Oh, that's some roll cage. Isn't it? That's what you need though, isn't it? Some roll cage.
Yeah. Compared to notepad of all the things.
Yeah. And look, they've armoured up the floor over there where the co-driver's feet go, look. It's all armoured up as well. Tyres aren't bad, is it? The front of it all cracked or anything? No, the front of it's not too bad, eh? Now we'll see this one. I think it's that gentleman's there. A bit different obviously, but just wicked. Just wicked. I think so, yeah. So they've got the spare in there, look. They've probably got that's a fire extinguisher system in there as well. And of course the big rally fuel tank. You can't use a normal car fuel tank in this. Wow.
Different.
Yeah, well see he's got the gear stick.
Is this an older one?
Yeah. This is like an 80s car, this.
This might have a newer one than this.
Yeah, but I think he might just sponsors this car. Yeah. I think he sponsors this car. So we've got a Vauxhall engine in here, look. There we go. Now that is Nikki Addison's car. I think this is a new one for her.
Yeah, because when we saw it at the Snowman, it was like black.
There he goes.
Right, drive it. Come on, drive it.
That's pretty snug, eh? How does that feel?
It's very comfortable.
Is it really comfortable? I thought they'd just be really rock hard seats, but they're not, are they? They're actually quite comfy.
Far better than the boys do.
Yeah. You're not gonna reach those pedals that Mike can reach. No. You can reach them, you couldn't push them.
Far.
You're not far away. There you go, look, saw the wee modifications, look. Right, so what we've got is the fire extinguishers there, remember?
Yeah.
So even marshals or spectators could pull that and the fire extinguisher system will go
So
off.
you know when they pull the car,
Yeah.
halfway
I had to have it.
Marshall jumps in.
Alright. So what we were saying as well is that little nozzle there is a fire extinguisher as well on the other side, for him and Mike.
That thing there.
And that will smash the window if they're stuck.
Yeah, there's double-sided, and then there's a seatbelt cutter.
Then they've got what's that in the middle again? It isolates electricity
All you
altogether.
do is you pull it, and it all comes off, and the fire extinguishers all go off.
And then Mike's got a handle there, he can pull that one, and that's the one down behind his seat. And then then there's the triple safeguard. They've got just a mobile
so
one as
there's
well.
one there, and then to do it, there's that. So in case it's like flipped on its side,
That's right.
spectators can just go pull.
Nice. And those bucket seats are really comfy.
Yeah.
Hey, David's been in, had a proper seat. Yeah, awesome. David really enjoyed that. It was really comfortable, you said, though, wasn't it? Those bucket seats were actually really, really comfy. Hey, the doggies. Having fun. They're all nice. They're all nice, aren't they, Sam? All of them. Oh, look, he takes his whole bonnet off. Look, there are like 6 catches in there.
What are those catches for?
Just to take the bonnet off. Oh, so that was a rare treat for young dogs, people. Yeah, that was really nice. I should have actually stinged a wee shot and sitting as well, but never mind. So here we are, up at the college, see the guys coming back in, sunny boy. Oh yeah, it's the Chief Marshal's coming in now, look. With his V8 Range Rover. David always manages to find a wee seat somewhere, don't you, eh? Find a wee seat. There we go. Yeah. Nice, like it. I think this is the winner of the second place guy. Hey! Eli is not cold, son. Flippin' heck. We're just chatting to our guy Eli there, he's just helping us out. How he's not cold, I'm freezing. Yeah, Eli here, he's looking after us. He's got us in this spot here, which is awesome. Here he comes, the big Hyundai. Oh, you've got stuff too. Well done, then. Cheers. Big David the Mitsubishi Evo fan, the way. That's coming in now. Oh, they're all coming in now. Hungary, that's right, yeah. Here's David's favourites coming in now, look. There we go. Yeah. There it comes. So this has to be first, second and third, eh, Sonny boy? Having good fun.
Denmark.
Denmark, is it? Yeah. Ah, he's not spraying it, is he? Oh. Yeah, go for it. They're not going to waste, are they? Here we go. Yeah! And get some photos or something now, maybe. Nice.
Oh, well chuffed with that.
Super. Yeah, look at that compared to the normal road car, look. They are jerked right up. And of course you can jerk them back down as well. Looking okay. They're looking okay, aren't they? The winner's car kind of come through not too bad, eh? Hey, little Bailey dog, we missed you. Look at Emily's down, look. Rummaging for food. Trying to find something to eat, look. We only had Emily on the night stage last night, right? You've just been chilling today, you Bailey.
You're not getting in the human food cabinet.
There's another one that's looking for food. Look, Emily and Bailey, both of them looking for food.
That's me if I was an animal.
That's, yes. Looking for food constantly, look.
Nope.
Goodness, I've never seen a dog.
This is human food.
She can eat 2 tins of dog food a day, that dog.
She stuck her head under.
Try it, let's just try it.
She really is trying.
Good girl. We should spot her tail. Should spot her tail. Where's that tail? Where's her tail? Good girl.
No, this is human food. This is human food.
Desperate. Look, I'm not kidding you guys. Bailey, you get 2 a day, don't you? Almost 2 tins a day, you crazy dog.
No!
I think it's because she's so active and she's always on the go and she's running around. Eh? It's a brilliant dog, I'll tell you guys. Absolutely brilliant. So guys, as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notifications. Loads of videos coming up on our Birnie family fun. Yeah, baby. Just up for a quick 5 minutes. Just up for a quick 5 minutes, eh, sonny boy? This guy's hiking. Come on now, big jump. Big jump. Yeah, we thought they'd be covered in mud. Time to come in. There's one Tom TRS. Yeah, so we're way up top just at the end, away, sonny boy. Up top for the end. So here he comes, look, the young guys, look, here he comes. Up round. Just round this bit up here. Nice, hey. He's doing okay.